We have another interesting question on arithmetic progression on the board. Let's see how we can solve it. The third term of a linear sequence AP is 16 and the sixth term is 34. Find the second term. To solve for the second term of arithmetic progression T2, we simply add the common difference to the first term. If I add the common difference to the first term, I will have my second term. Now, the issue is that we don't have the first term, we do not have the common difference. So from third term and sixth term, we'll be able to get the first term and the common difference. So let's make an equation from the third and the sixth term. So the question says the third term of a linear sequence is 16. So we're going to say that T3 is equal to what? 16. And the sixth term is equal to 34. Now, what's the formula for T3? Formula for T3 is A plus what? 2D. If you add the common difference 2 times to your first term, you have the third term. Then for the sixth term, and this is equal to 16. For the sixth term, it should be A plus what? 5D. If you add your common difference 5 times to your first term, you have your sixth term, which is equal to 34. Now you could see that we have a simple linear equation, simultaneous linear equation on the board. Let's solve this question simultaneously. Then we get A and D, which is our first term and what? Common difference. I will use elimination method. So equation 1 we minus equation 2. A minus A is 0. Then 2 minus 2D minus 5D will give us minus 3D equals 16 minus 34. That will give us minus 18. So we have minus 3D equals minus 18. Let's find D from here. Divide by minus 3, divide by minus 3. So our D would be equal to what? Positive 6. We found our common difference, D, as positive 6. From here we can find our A. Substitute 6 into the equation 1 or 2 to get your A. I'll use equation 1. A plus 2D equals 16. Our D is 6. I'll put it here. I will have A plus 2 times 6 equals what? 16. This will be A plus 12 equals 16. Take 12 to the front. We have A equals 16 minus 12. So our first term would be what? 4. When you subtract, you get 4. So we've got our A as 4 and our D as what? 6. Now we'll be able to solve for the what? Second term. Remember that our second term is 2 equals A plus D. Therefore, our second term would be 4 plus 6. The second term is 10. Let's assume you are asked to find any other term of this sequence. Let's say 15th term. If you are asked to find 15th term, we can simply do that using these two guys. 15th term would be T14 equals A plus, T15 equals 14D. Let me make a space. 14D. All right. So our first term is 6, is 4. Our common difference is 6. That would be 14 times 6. 14 times 6 will give us 84. Then we add 4 to it. We have 88. So the 15th term, T15, will give us 88. So once you have your first term and your common difference, you will be able to find any other term of that sequence. I believe you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video, share it to your friends, and come back for more interesting math tutorials. Bye.